Drone footage shows Tesla Cybertruck production well underway. New drone footage has shown Tesla Cybertruck production is well underway at Giga Texas, with casting presses now installed. Two 9,000-ton Giga presses were visible in the footage, as were plenty of Cybertruck rear castings. Tesla has been manufacturing alpha versions of the Cybertruck since Q1 2023, as per official factory photos from the automaker. That said, it now appears the EV manufacturer is installing all of the necessary equipment for general production. Cybertruck release candidates. Near production versions that may have a few faults are due in August, with customer deliveries targeted for the end of Q3 2023. Given that likely equates to an end of September delivery event, it makes sense that Tesla is already gearing up for mass production. A leaked video also gave a brief preview of Cybertruck production in action. First revealed in November 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck is undoubtedly the most eagerly anticipated EV of 2023. Currently, Tesla has roughly 1.8 million Cybertruck reservation holders. Given the automaker is expected to manufacture 375,000 units annually, it could take upwards of 4 years before all orders are satisfied. That said, given a Cybertruck can be reserved with a fully refundable $100 deposit, it's safe to say not everyone will be seeing through delivery. Source: reposted and summarized from Ben O'Hare at Inside EVS.